Make some noise for the Advance Auto Parts Grinder and High Maintenance. Big lead for the Advance Auto Parts Grinder to the final turn. Frank Kreml looking strong as the grinder comes to the far turn. Nice save by Mopar. He looked to be in a little bit of trouble. Nonetheless, let's give a nice round of applause to your winner, the Motor City's own Frank Kreml and the Advance Auto Parts Grinder. Early edge, but there really isn't one. They were almost even that time by. Watch that finish line. Get your cameras clicking. Oh my, another photo finish. Keep your eyes on the finish line. Another photo is coming up, it looks like.